I was interested in wood as a material and a medium for some time. So when I found this place, it had a lot of the skill sets and the environment that I was looking for. But it was also the only school that I could go to and access a reasonable amount of funding. I chose the FDA in furniture to have access to workshops as often as possible. Workshops are open Monday to Sunday. You're learning Monday to Friday, and as a subject which is really highly practical, you need to be practicing your hand skills as much as you can. And it's pretty much the only course in this country that offers furniture making full-time for 2 years, and it's probably the closest thing to an apprenticeship.
The best things about this course are that at West Dean there is an immersive environment. So if you're interested in this subject, you can live and breathe it, which is what you need to be able to do to develop the skills to a point where you're confident with it. Everybody is very, very invested in what they're doing, and it really creates a nice atmosphere to be able to share what you're learning with other people and to be able to spend a lot of time with the experts that can help you to develop those skills. When you start the FDA course, the first things we need to do are start looking at tools and sharpening. They're the principles and the fundamentals, and then setting up planes and setting up saws so that we can do accurate work.
I just finished my A-levels in June, so I was looking at a lot more traditional universities. I decided to take more of a practical route, and West Dean was the only place that did 9 to 5 practical workshop hours. Every day with your tutors, you can ask them anything, and then you can also come back after those times, carry on with your projects, do your own projects, rather than other courses at different, more traditional universities that did about 2 hours contact workshop time a week.
Within the workshops, students have their own dedicated work area, so they get their own cabinet making bench. We've got an area for tools, so you can really set up to be able to feel like it's your own workshop. Then once you've gone through the first projects where you're working by hand and being very in touch with the material, we then start using machines where we can introduce students to our machine room and the facilities we have available throughout the college.
It's so vibrant and creative. Everyone comes from completely different backgrounds and have such different knowledge. There are other people that have done apprenticeships, done whole careers in different subject areas, and everyone just brings their knowledge together. And it's crazy when you get a problem in your subject area, everyone can just input and you get so many different solutions, which are all just incredible. So everyone really helps each other out.